Hi, we're at IBC 2022 and we're at the Aptolux booth and we're talking to Alvis. Hello Alvis. Can you explain a little bit about your new products that you're showing here?
This is the problem solver for most of the videographers, freelancers. My experience as a videographer, you're going to a filming location and you carry 7 bags and 6 of them are lights, and on the spot you're using at the time just 1 or 2 pieces. So I thought it's a waste of energy, it's a waste of money, it's a waste of space that the lights are taking. So I built something multifunctional, something versatile, something that fits in a backpack, but you can build any LED panel shape you need.
So this is super modular. Basically,
Yeah,
you can connect
This
them.
is super modular. So here you have a trapeze-shaped panel. It powers with Sony Npf Battery. You can have different attachments. You can have diffuser, or you can have also a lens array, which focuses the light to 40 degrees. It's more spotlight. And the best thing is you can attach any side with any side. It shares power between the panels, and it also shares communication. So you have to control just one of the panels, and the whole build, like here, the ring light, the whole build will control,
change colors
change
and
the
intensity
color.
and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. And you can make, you can use the Sony Npf batteries. You can use a plug. You can use D-tap to Sony Npf batteries to power them. And the good thing is, yes, you can have all the size and shapes you need in a backpack, on a hand luggage, jumping on a plane, and
it's very small.
Yeah,
You know,
exactly.
You
It's
can
very
pack them
small,
there flat.
lightweight. For all 6 panels together, it's 120 watts. For a single piece, it's 20 watts.
20 watts.
Yeah.
RGB, of course. And
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. In terms of pricing and availability?
So right now we are finishing our pre-order batch. We are about to deliver them at the end of September. And then we are, after the delivery, we are going to have a new campaign, and the next batch will be delivered in February next year. Each kit will cost 990 euros.
Each kit of 6?
6 panels, yes.
Okay.
Including all the mounting options, diffusers, lenses.
And will you be, maybe later on, will you be able to buy them individually?
Yeah, probably, because that's also the like the sustainability, and they're repairable. So that was an important thing for me. So you can, if something happens, you don't throw it away. We're gonna send you a kit. You can repair them, change the mechanisms, change the connectors, or if you have some skills in soldering, just change the lens or everything. And if one breaks, you just change it with we're gonna sell another one, send it to you, and you change it, and you have a full kit again.
I see that they have like, how many? 4 quarter-inch? The threads.
Yeah, they have 4 1/4 inch threads around the sides, so you can be pretty flexible with the mounting.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.